Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and another clean with me. Today we are cleaning as well as doing some organizing, and I'm sharing a home DIY project which we are starting off with. So I'm going to be painting this entertainment stand as well as a few of our end tables to just really brighten up the area here. I was learning how to use this power tool, so you can see my husband had to show me a thing or two, but I'm learning how to use more power tools and I'm really excited for what's to come in that area. But make sure that you watch this video all the way through the end. There is tons of cleaning motivation and organization motivation coming, so put me up on whatever device and clean along with me.
Someday, I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need
If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here. I hope that you consider subscribing today to join our growing YouTube family. But just know I am so grateful for you being here and spending some time with me during this video. Now, if you are new, welcome. My name is Brianne. I share lots of lifestyle content here on my channel with a focus on cleaning and homemaking motivation, but you will find all types of lifestyle content from motherhood, clean with me's, and all things to do with the home, from decor and DIY. So as you can see, we are painting this like I had mentioned, and I am just using this chalk paint in the linen white. We actually had to do, you'll never believe this, 4 coats in some areas and then 2 top coats as well, just because, like, look how dark this furniture is. But I am so excited with how it turned out. So again, make sure you stay tuned for that, and let me know down below if you like using chalk paint.
me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you.
I love how this ended up turning out. Let me know down below what you think, but it really just helps to brighten up the room. Wait until you see it all put back together. And then you might not notice, but we did also change the handles on here to the black ones, which are the same handles that I put in our kitchen for our kitchen makeover.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah.
All right, now that the area is almost all cleaned up, it is now time to organize. So I'm going to organize through all of my toddlers' craft supplies and just like these baskets here and the drawers. I'm so happy with how they ended up turning out, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. These baskets are actually just from Amazon. We got them years ago, but if you are interested, I can have them linked down below. I hope that you are up and moving along and cleaning with me.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna
So this is kind of like our homeschooling area in this TV stand, which is so funny, but this is the area that we homeschool in. So I'm just going ahead and putting the flashcards and just stuff like that in this little drawer here, as you can see. And then it's just got her little books and stuff too. Then in this drawer, it has our curriculums and just paperwork that we do use daily. And then the last one is all of the glue, scissors, tape, Mod Podge, all that kind of fun stuff. And then in these little baskets, I have more flashcards, extra crayons, markers, chalk, just like all kinds of crafting supplies. And then the other basket has all of the paint.
I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
So I also have this random pile of like Halloween stuff. So in the girls' bedroom, I have a basket, which I get from the Dollar Tree for like $4. They're super inexpensive. And I store them, I have them actually in the playroom as well as their bedroom closet. And in there, I have one that is specifically designated for holidays. And I'm talking craft supplies here because this is what I'm organizing, is like our homeschool crafting, like all of the extras. And so again, I have all of that holiday stuff in there. And I actually have right now in one of the blue drawers there, I was where I put the Valentine's stuff, because Valentine's is this weekend. And then when Valentine's is over, I will take them from that one, put them in the bedroom closet, and then bring out the Easter or the next holiday. So yeah, that's just kind of the system that I use. It works very well for us because we do have a small house. And so I'm just trying to navigate through how to organize all of this stuff. And so I'm really excited to have like this system now, and it's pretty too. So that's kind of that. Now let's get back to the cleaning and organizing.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby.
This ended up being a 3-day process. So there was lots of coloring done by our toddlers. So I'm just going ahead and tidying up that area. The living room was just totally trashed. So it was time to finally get the house back in order. And we were actually also having company over on this evening. So if you are in need of some major cleaning motivation, I got you covered.
No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby.
I just did a dry dust with a microfiber cloth, and now I'm going around with my multi-purpose thieves cleaner and giving it a really, really good clean. So there was just, it was sticky and all the things. Obviously, when you have a 2-year-old, that's usually what happens. She's actually really, really good at washing her hands, but sometimes it just still gets all sticky. So this table was really bad, as well as the white end table. So we're gonna go ahead and give those a really, really good clean before we move on into the dining area as well as the kitchen.
I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's you know.
Time to move on to the next trashed area in our house, the dining room table. This just literally became a drop zone. We don't have an island, otherwise that would most likely be our drop zone, but time to go ahead and clean this up. There is a ton of board games here as my husband and our kids were playing some board games while I went out. And yeah, we're just gonna get this cleaned up. So meanwhile, while I was finishing up painting, my husband was drawing this. He ended up building our girls a beautiful bookshelf. So I will share that probably in another video. It's done being built, but it's not painted yet. So let me know if you guys want to see it like when it's fully done, or if you want to see a sneak peek of it right now, and I can share that in my next video. But I'm just going ahead and using my Method wood cleaner here in the dining area. And then we're going to move on into the entryway and the kitchen.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
One of the quotes that I live by is time invested in one area is time taken away from another. So as you can see, my house was totally trashed after the 3 days of painting. And you guys, that is just real life here. So I always promise to keep it real and authentic here on my channel. So you're going to get the real message. You're going to get the realistic cleaning motivation and just, again, real life momming. So that is what I am here to share and show you guys, just knowing that you're not alone. And even though I like literally clean for a living, I also clean other people's houses. My house does sometimes get trashed. Like again, when I'm doing a home project or life happens, maybe I'm feeling tired that week, or maybe we have a lot going on with our kids, or we're busy or whatever. So I do believe in preventative cleaning and trying really, really hard to keep up on things, but sometimes it's just not possible. And I just want to encourage you to try and give yourself some grace and really and truly just give yourself a break. It's okay. What you do around your home matters, but more importantly, you matter. So if you can't keep up with it, ask for some help. Let it sit on the back burner for a day. Like, it's okay if you just don't have the energy. And then the next day you get up and you get on and you tackle that mess. So I hope that you can take a little bit of encouragement from that and inspiration, and just know that you're not alone.
But I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
Thank you so much for being here today with me through this video. I hope that you guys got lots of cleaning motivation and you cleaned along with me. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And subscribe if you have not already to join our growing YouTube family. Also, if you are still here, I would love if you left me a little emoji down in the comments to show your support. Thanks again for being here. We'll see you next time.